Hello everyone, as you can see, we're continuing on with the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. We've gone through 9 days so far. We're starting on day number 10 right now. So go ahead and do this. And if you have any questions while I'm going through this, please feel free to ask down below. As you can see, we've got a pile of extra pieces over there from the previous ones. That's normal, so don't freak out if you're going through and doing this yourself. Go ahead and do that. Okay, it looks like we're going to do like this, like this, like this, and then like this. All right, this is not as easy as day number 9, but it's pretty close. All right, and then this one will go in here, and then this will go in there, and that goes in there, and we are done, and we've got 2 extra pieces. Awesome. All right, so as you can see, we've got all of our different days so far. Which one is your favorite so far? I'm gonna go with either the speeder or the transport there myself as far as my favorite so far. But let me know what your favorite is. All right, moving on, we're gonna go ahead and move on to day number 11 tomorrow.